All right, I think we're live. New camera, new setup, new mic as well. Not sure you guys a scuff ass setup, but if I move anything, I'm scared it's gonna break. So finally, I was able to get two screens now, so I can look at the stream and stream quality on one screen and my trades on one screen, and I could just keep you guys on the trading view screen. So, what do we have today? Let's take a look, shall we? First order of business. Let's take a look here and see the news. So if we go on Discord, let me go to my weekly analysis really quickly. Great, my Discord doesn't work. Where is this Discord? Here we go. All right, so today we just have ISM manufacturing PMI at 10 and then Powell speaking at 1. So what do we expect? We expect price to hopefully manipulate before the news comes out so we can take a trade and then just ride the news out. If not, we'll wait for the news to be the manipulation of price. And then we have to ideally be out of our trade prior to 12, I'm gonna say 12:30, because usually 30 minutes before like he starts speaking, price kind of goes crazy. There's potential for price to just be super slow today too, just because we have so many more news throughout the whole rest of the week. But let's hope and see if it's a good trading day today. So, got everything set up. What am I seeing right now? Let's go to the hourly. Let's start, since I'm here, let's start with the mini Dow Jones. So, the Dow, we have these New York PM highs that took out all this previous liquidity right here. We have this hourly fair value gap right here, which we're tapping into. We have this relative equal highs at Asia. So let me actually relabel that. Equal highs at Asia. So drag this out a little bit so you guys can see. It's right here, right here. I want price to open, come up and take out both of these. So we just opened the 9 a.m. candle. I want price to come up and take out both of these, respect the hourly fair value gap, and then continue lower to this very clear set of liquidity, the London lows, the previous New York AM lows, and the previous day from that New York AM lows as well. This is correlated to my initial bias of a dump in the beginning of the week, because we want to manipulate lower, give all the buyers a premium. So let's hope we can ride the wave down. So going into NQ, it's kind of the same idea. However, we don't really have a gap or equal highs. We technically inverses hourly fair value gap. However, this is just to form more sell side liquidity. And now we're just seeing moves up. We are still bearish on the 4 hour, still continuing on this downtrend. So what I would want to see is us either come up and take out this Asia high and completely maybe fill the rest of this new week opening gap right here, and then see a continuation lower into the London lows and the New York AM lows, potentially all the way into like these New York PM lows, like previous daily lows, not weekly lows, the previous weekly lows down here. I don't think we're attaining previous weekly low today. I think that's tomorrow, and then we can continue higher. So that's what I kind of want from market right now. Just push higher. If we do come up into the New York PM highs, as long as we don't break structure on the 4 hour, I'm okay with taking shorts. But if we do break structure on the 4 hour, then maybe I just won't take a trade today. So that's what I'm seeing for NQ. And on ES, kind of a very similar story. I actually didn't even draw out the arrow. It's just the same thing as NQ. I guess we could put a final take profit. Now that I look at this, we could put a final take profit at the middle of this hourly gap right here. But I'll go ahead and do that once. I'll do this, and I'll just mark out the middle of this gap right here. So right in there, middle of 1 hour, right? All right, so we'll leave that there so we can see the price for that. What happens if we just see manipulation lower once market opens? I honestly don't think we're gonna just bounce off of these London lows right here. I think we definitely are seeking at least a New York AM lows. However, if we do see us bounce up on the London lows and like really form very clear bullish structure, I'm okay with taking longs, probably only to Asia. I don't think we want to take it to the New York PM highs, but we'll have to wait and see in the moment. I mean, right now Asia is much more attainable than the London low, so let's just hope that that is the case. When it comes to potentially going long as well, or potentially continuing short to New York AM lows and maybe the middle of this hourly for value gap, I would need to see us basically on the 5 minute close below this London low, form a retrace, and then close below the London low once again on the 5 minute, and then I could target the New York AM and the middle of this hourly for value gap. Same thing goes for NQ. I'm gonna delete this. Kind of useless right now. Same thing goes for NQ. We did already reach the middle of this for value gap, if I'm not mistaken, with that candle. It perfectly. Holy shit. So this will be my final take profit if I do take a trade on NQ. And right now, we just have to wait things out, see where price wants to go. So let me just pull this up. Where is the menu? Just want to make sure that the stream is working properly, that we're not seeing any funny business. But once I do check this, then I will, yeah, I see we're live right now. Alright, everything seems to be in order. Obviously, we have 0 people watching, as always, but it's okay. The bitrate isn't the highest, which is unfortunate, obviously, and I don't know why my camera quality is so low, but it's fine. We'll manage. I think it's just my internet isn't the best right now, which is probably why my camera isn't the highest quality. But I don't have an Ethernet cable here, which I wish I did. Unfortunately, not in this room. It's okay though. We'll see what to do. We'll see how to go from here within the next few days anyways. It's just the internet card on this computer is fucking terrible. I mean, I'm using a super fucking, like, what do you call it, super Frankenstein setup. It's literally my old laptop. Just I tore it apart completely, and I took the screen out and everything, and the Wi-Fi antenna is like super shit. So unfortunately, the quality is not going to be the best. I might need to buy a new Wi-Fi antenna and or new Wi-Fi card or something. Maybe just use, you know, an Ethernet cable and not be an idiot. That could also be a possibility, but we'll make do with what we have now. Let's see. Dude, I swear to God, if fucking price just does shit today, like does nothing today again, I'm actually gonna crash the fuck out. Like, I really want some type of opportunity today, and something, bro, literally something. Alright, what the hell? Okay, so we have $1,500 to work with today. That's the distance to draw down that we see. I'll go ahead and I'll just keep this on the 1 hour, to be honest. There's no reason to do otherwise. Alright, just waiting right now. Nothing really much else going on. Hopefully the mic sounds good at least. That's kind of what I care the most about. As a matter of fact, I need to charge my fucking phone. Oh god. Alright, so anything else happening? I don't think so. I think while the market waits, I don't even know what to do, man. While we wait for market open. I mean, right now I'm not gonna take a trade right now, obviously, because we don't have a sweep or anything. So we're forming legs lower, but I'm just gonna wait for market to open before we even consider taking anything. So I have to wait at least until 9:30. Thinking maybe what I can do is, you know what, I'm gonna look up like Wi-Fi cards for laptops. Maybe I should go to Best Buy. We'll see if I go to Best Buy or not. I mean, bro, let's be honest here. I need to buy an actual PC. This is fucking garbage. But one of the solutions would definitely be just putting the Wi-Fi right next to where I am, which I'm gonna try to do. I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm not gonna lie. I think that will actually potentially help a decent amount on the quality of the stream. It's not like much is going on anyway. So I'll be back. I can't stay forever. I wish I could play music, man. So sad that I can't. Where the fuck? Okay, I'm gonna put this here, I guess. Alright, see if that helps at all. It's just reconnecting to the bigger hub. Hopefully it works. Once it does, my connection should be a lot better. So we'll see. We'll just have to wait and see. I need to do this actually. Yes. Still connecting. It's not good. Alright, there we go. So the Wi-Fi is connected technically and it's literally right next to my computer, so the connection quality should go up. If not, I'll just Ethernet it somehow. I need to just figure out a way how. Might have to turn off this. Oh no, there we go. Yeah, so now it's full bars here. So it should be a lot better quality for the stream. How can I add? Fuck me, man. What the fuck did I? Oh, here, tools. No. I'm gonna go ahead and mute myself for a second and then.
So in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step. You're going to come to custom animated overlay. You'll select and now go ahead and smaller than the saved, which you're going to want 1080. And then you scroll to chat, press screen, hit this little plus icon. We'll hit browser and then we'll name this by 1080. And then you scroll down and you want to
Jesus fucking Christ, bro. Fucking my computer is literally bugging the fuck out right now. Dude, how do I add this? No, see, this is not what I want. I want this out. That's not what I want. I need to... Dude, I remember seeing this. It's like on the menu. Settings menu, maybe? Stream. Yeah. Well, I have no fucking clue. We still got 10 minutes until market opens, so I'm not doing anything right now. Just wait, I'm also gonna go cut my fucking hair, bro. My hair looks like shit. So let me see if my desktop audio is still bugging out. Let me just be... Alright, there, I fixed it. I don't know what the fuck happened, but... Jesus, holy dump. What is happening here? Pre-market opportunity? No, not really. Nothing. Nothing from any of them. Nothing to see. Don't get faked out by this. Don't be an idiot. I've done it before. Just be patient. Don't be a retard. Dude, I don't think this is understanding what I want to do, but I don't even know where. It's not like it matters. It's not like I have a YouTube chat anyway, but I don't know how I added it last time. Every time you start streaming, it lets you add the YouTube chat, but it doesn't not letting me do it now. For some reason, fucking look at this fucking hair, bro. What the fuck, I look like a book. I'm gonna cut my hair after this. Fucking shit ass trading day. Dude, I want to listen to music so bad, but I literally can't. I'm unable to. Stupid fucking YouTube rules, copyright and shit. If I pay for Spotify Premium, I should be able to stream whatever the fuck I want. this might be it. I'm gonna mute myself real quickly once again so you guys don't hear this video.
YouTube can be very, very tough. And it's, guys, I'm GS Fear, content creator on your YouTube studio. Actually have to see what you're going to do because we're actually going, so of course, docs. And then you can actually add it to the OBS or Streamlabs OBS, I assume works just the same. Come up here to view, docs, custom browser docs. And then you can actually add it. Of course, doc name, YouTube chat is what I have mine as. And then you're going to actually change the URL to the URL that we literally just copied. So just paste that, hit apply, close it, come back up to view, docs, and then you can click on YouTube chat or whatever you named it. And once you click on it, it will actually add a little portion of the screen as the chat. Now, I personally have mine to the right, so you can just kind of move and adjust it however you really want it. So there we go, guys. Very, very simple, easy tutorial for how you can add.
Alright, whatever. I don't even know how to do this, so I'm just gonna have it on my phone. Alright. What now? 6 minutes until market open. Let's just see where we want to go. Oh, God. Fuck me, man. Let me check one thing real quickly. Can I not see my CPU temp? What? It's weird. Might be able to see it in Task Manager. Performance. I don't see it. I mean, we're not really utilizing the CPU, so it's fine. I just want to make sure that my temps are good. Dude, what the fuck? I think the stream quality is a lot better now. Let me check, actually. I'll just watch myself for a little bit. Make sure the stream quality got better. It's a little better. I don't really know why. That's weird. It's not as good as I thought it would be. Wait, am I even? What is my stream output? Can I increase the streaming? Okay. Yeah, 1080, 1920, 1080p. Oh, no wonder I had my shit wrong. So I think the stream looks fine at 1080p. It looks good. I mean, good enough. I know I don't have the best setup right now, but it'll get better over time. I know for a fact it'll get better over time. So we'll see. Video coming out later today about price and liquidity, and then on Wednesday I'm gonna record it today and tomorrow, edit tomorrow and everything, and I'm gonna what's next? I think it's market structure. Market structure is the next video. on the list of things to do. And then after that, I have it in the Discord actually. I have like some books that I just basically see. Yeah, after that, we're gonna go into like order blocks for value gaps, equilibrium discounts, and then more market structure. And then after that, like power of 3, accumulation, monthly opens, weekly opens, and so on and so forth. Oh, how about this? Well, look, we're now bullish. See, I told you don't go short. Told you don't be stupid. Don't go short. Holy fucking ads, man. Dude, I was squatting 8 billion pounds yesterday, and I hurt my back. And I can barely walk, bro. I feel so fucking old. It's so stupid. So now we have to go into recovery mode, which is really fucking annoying because I wanted to continue working out, getting leaner. But it's fine. It is what it is. Can't do anything about it now. Nice day out. We'll see what we do. Right, England. Do I need to grow like the short form content, social media? I'm gonna start uploading the trades that I take. I don't even know how, but I don't really know how to do that. I'd have to figure it out. I'm gonna have to figure that shit out. But I'm gonna have to take the clips from the stream and I'm gonna start recording the trade. That's probably what I should do. So if I start recording, does this end the stream? We're about to market. Wait. There, can you record and stream at the same time? Yes. Okay, cool. So I need to remember to record when I hit a trade. If not, I'm gonna have to download the entire live VOD and then do the short form content. I'll see. I don't know. I'll see if I even do anything. I don't wanna just fucking promote this like any other person. I want this to be kind of fun just for me to do, because I want to make money out of this. Like, not just out of social media, just out of this. Anyways, here comes the market open. So let's just wait and see. Alright, we're pushing up. I'm gonna have trade bait open because this kind of tells me a little better of where price wants to go. So we're seeing a manipulation higher very clearly right now on the Dow. I'm assuming. Oh no, whoa, we came all the way down to here. Interesting. All right, so we're clearly seeking these Asia highs right now. Hopefully we can take them out. On NQ, we're not quite there yet. We're almost there. It's right up there. On ES, we're not quite there either. We're very close. On the Dow, we're about the same distance. So big rally up. Dude, why the fuck am I yawning so much? This shit is pissing me off. Come on, bruv. Get to them. Come up to the Asia highs. Asia highs for me, please. One time. A little fly lice. A little chow mein. That's just Panda Express. That is so racist. Whatever. Not like I care. Alright, come on. We're almost there. Alright, we passed the Asia highs. Bing bong. On NQ at least. What do we want to see now? Holy fucking rally candle. That's insane. Maybe we do want to go all the way up into the New York PM highs, but looks like looks like we really are buying up. So let's just wait, I guess. How much am I willing to risk today? I need to say this before. $800. That's how much I'm risking today, total. So we're, Jesus Christ, we're fucking rallying past this Asia Persuasia high and not the London high. I mean, we already took out the London high a long ass time ago. So it looks like we are seeking the New York PM highs as of now, and I just have to wait. The Dow is the only one that's kind of behaving a little slower. We're seeing if maybe that will take out. Dude, can I stop seeing these fucking ads? It is actually ridiculous. I'm gonna go into paper trading just so I can calculate my margins. Yes, I have $7 million in my paper trading account. I'm the goat. I'm the goat. Alright. Well, we already took out Asia Persuasia. We're pretty close to the New York PM highs on NQ. On ES, not so much. Forming an SMT would be pretty beautiful right now. I'm not gonna lie, that'd be pretty nice. The Dow hasn't even taken out the Asia highs, the equal Asia highs. This to me just seems like a clear. Holy fucking God. I swear to God, if I yawn one more fucking time, this to me seems like a clear manipulation higher before we continue lower. I mean, look at this 4-hour candle. I mean, if I expect us to take out this liquidity and then just continue lower. It's kind of what my bias is, especially with the news coming out at 10 and us being so close to the New York PM highs. No reason to expect longs. I mean, we close below the gap on both. Seeing some sells coming in. Dude, it's just one giant NQ push-up candle. It's so funny to see. Alright, we're really close to the New York. Yeah, we're definitely taking out the New York PM highs. Maybe not on ES, giving us an SMT. The Dow is really close to taking out the Asia highs too. So you can see here, the Dow is actually behaving the most normal out of all of these. Because I do want to go short. I think shorts are the play here. However, I don't know if I want to take shorts all the way up in this range right here. So we just have to wait. The reason why I'm looking at the right so much because I have my Trade-O-Bait screen there. And I like taking the executions there because it's a live tick by tick thing. Alright. We're getting very close to the New York PM highs. We're going to form a ridiculous 5-minute gap. It's like insane, like actually insane. I haven't seen a rally this big in a while. Look at this. For the first time ever, price behaves normally? Potentially, perhaps. So our price level is 21,433, and we're getting pretty close to it right now. It looks like we're continuing higher, 100% continuing higher. The Dow is dumping, not behaving very normal, but NQ and ES might potentially give us some good opportunity here. Seeing some sells coming in, interesting. Seeing a price drag price down. I don't really want to take shorts on NQ because I really think we do want to come up and take out the New York PM highs. ES, it's kind of way closer to Asia. This would be a big ask for ES to come up all the way into here. NQ, not so much. We're much closer from it to here than all the way down here. So it looks like we are wanting to take those out, and we just have to wait, like I said. There's nothing else to do but wait. My God, NQ is just, it's edging. It's edging me. I am being edged right now. Okay, yes, I see some legs down. What do I want to see? I mean, honestly, sure, I would want to see us close below this giant 5-minute fair value gap that's gonna form. I don't know, like, I want to enter half a position before that, and then enter the other half, like, down here, and then we can, you know, target these lows. Oops. Target these lows and then these lows. Maybe, like, these lows, too. It's like partials. But I really still am very, very hopeful for a sweep of the New York if we sweep the New York PM highs, which we're about to form an SMT. I think on the I think I'm actually might be willing to go down to the 1 minute and take a trade on the 1 minute because it's such a strong confluence. So we destroyed that level. So let's just see what happens now. I mean, do we really just want to keep buying? I don't think so. Hoping to see some legs down eventually. I'm very open to this. If we form a breaker out of this, I will go short half a position here because I expect price to continue lower. But in order for me to go long out of this, like, to what? That's the thing. To what liquidity do we want to see? Like this hourly high? We really want to fill this 4-hour gap now? I don't think so. I really don't think so. I think we do want to continue lower, but NQ is just ripping. Holy fuck. Yo, what even is this move? Look at this. This is ridiculous. Where's like a 1% move? And dude, this is a 1% move. A 675. Oh my gosh. It's a $170 move in like no time. That's crazy. Alright. Alright, NQ, I see you. I see you. I see what you want. We came up and even took out this high right here. So 1 minute. Holy fuck. I mean, I know that's not a gap, but there really was no entry at all. That's crazy. Yeah, we just complete rally to the upside. Alright, well, we just close that 5 minute. Like I said, if I see a 5 minute breaker, I am willing to enter off of that. And as a matter of fact, I want to get my sizing correct so that I don't fuck myself over. So we'll do, what is that, 8 units? 8 units it is. Alright. 8 units for the money. I'm going to do 4, then 4 first, and then another 4 for us to drag down. I do want to see the 5 minute close as a breaker. I don't just want to take it off anything. I'm sure that people are going to take it off of this inverse value gap that could potentially form in the 1 minute. I don't like that entry. It's a risky entry for sure because you can get waked out, and we didn't inverse it. I want to see us continue lower before. If we break 1 minute structure, maybe I'm willing to take it off of that. But as of now, I don't see a reason to go short. I know we're definitely continuing lower. This is like a classic sweep of liquidity plus. I mean, we broke 1 minute structure on ES right now, so I'm expecting some sells coming in from NQ. I'm gonna wait for the 1 minute break of structure, so closure below this, and then I'll go short. So this, I think this matches with our 5 minute 409. Yeah, this matches about with our 5 minutes. So once I see the 1 minute closure below, I will take some shorts. Super liquidity, 1 minute break of structure. We are technically inversing the fair value gap, so I could take some shorts now. I think price is definitely going to continue lower. But I just don't think the stop loss right at these highs is enough. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for the 1 minute breaker structure. You can't just take it off an inverse. That's the thing. That's not how I trade. I mean, some people do. That's just not how I trade. It's forming a breaker. Pretty close to forming a breaker as of now. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, I kind of really like this trade, so I'm gonna take a full position on this. I think this is pretty clearly gonna continue lower. I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute candle to close, and then I'll go ahead and enter once we see the 1 minute breaker structure. As much as I do want to enter, have a position, this is looking very good, but I need to see the 1 minute breaker structure before I consider entering. Alright, we're seeing some initial pushes up. We didn't quite break 1 minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and
Order filled.
I'm in shorts right now. We have an SMT. We hopefully will break 1 minute structure within the next few candles, and I think we will. And so I'm in this short right now. I entered at 21.413. So 413.75 exactly here. My stops are right here. My first take profit. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. Well, this is it's a large take profit if I do take it. We're seeing some retraces up right now. I'm gonna take profit 1 at the middle of this gap, just in the case that we do, as a matter of fact, wanna inverse to the upside. And I just have to wait now. I'm gonna let the trade play out. As of now, I want to see this 5 minute candle close below. If we do, then I think we're in a pretty safe trade, to be honest. We're forming the breaker that I wanted. I mean, I know that. I'm just hoping that we don't get inversed. If we do, that's okay. I'm still bearish on my bias, and I know there's news at 10. I'm very aware of that, but this just really seemed like a very solid trade to me. This is why I took this trade. We see a breaker on ES. A lot of volume right now. Unfortunate little buy wave. Hopefully we can just continue pushing lower. And let's just wait and see. So I'm very confident about this. I am really confident about this actually. I really think we do want to continue lower. I think we made our manipulation higher. So I'm gonna, as much as I do want to take profit there, so let me just do some quick little math here. So we have our stop loss, which is great. That's perfect risk. That's just 500, and then another, what is that, 2,000. I'm liking more taking profit 1 here and then taking profit 2 all the way down here. Maybe letting 1 ride all the way down there. That's fine with me. All right, so we are looking pretty good as of now. I know it's a big ask, but I think we should be fine. So buy a limit right. That's my first take profit right here, and I'm just gonna let 1 contract ride out. And then buy, oops. I did not need to do that. 6 limit, and then buy my final take profit at down here. All right, it's a big trade. I'll tell you that. It's a pretty big trade, and I'm gonna let this ride. I think we're very good on this trade. I'm not gonna lie. I think this is a very, very solid trade, very obvious trade. So my first take profit is actually down here. So that'll be about $1,200, give or take, because I'm taking half. And then my second position is here at a third of that, a third of 4. It's another 1,200, and then my final one will be all the way down here. So that should be a very, very solid trade if we do end up winning. And now we just, oh wait, now we just wait. I haven't seen a trade in my, like I haven't seen a trade this good, like a very, very solid trade like this in very long. That's why I'm very happy with this, and I'm hoping that this trade does play out. I'm not even gonna touch my stop loss at all. I know we are within like a huge 5-minute fair value gap, but general order flow is bearish. I mean, the 4 hour is probably gonna close bearish once 10 a.m. opens, and we see a pretty big rejection off of this strong level of liquidity right here. So it's just your classic trade, to be honest. Nothing else to it. ES is dumping a solid amount, more than NQ, but that's okay. Now we just wait. If I see price like get very close to my first take profit or like inverse gap, hopefully we do, I'm gonna go ahead and pull my stops at break even just so we can get wicked out by the news. Hopefully not, but if we do, it's fine. It's part of the game. It's part of trading, and we just have to try to get a little better every fucking day. So we'll see. I know I'm trying to make this entertaining, but it's kind of difficult. It's kind of hard to make this entertaining because I already kind of detached myself from money. So like this to me is just like a game. I don't care if I win or lose. Like I think this is a solid trade. If I win, great. Awesome, I made some money. That's kind of the game. If I don't win, oh no, my, what am I going to do with my life? I don't fucking know, bro. Just take another trade tomorrow. That's all I can really do. And now we just have to wait. Let me, actually, since I'm here, I'm gonna look at my, Jesus fucking Christ. You know what's funny? I took this long right here. It's the worst long I've ever taken in my life. And this long right here. I took a long right here too, but this shit is ass. This is so bad. But it is what it is. I already sold all my crypto. I think the bull run is over. I mean, Bitcoin reached all-time highs again. Now we're just gonna see some take profits being hit. I'm like almost considering shorting Bitcoin because I think we're really just gonna go way lower. But if I see it close below this EMA and the like the average price on the 50 and the 200 day EMA, then I probably will short Bitcoin then. So trade looking good as of now. Nothing much else to it. It's a huge trade, to be honest. A pretty big trade, and I don't want to move my stop loss. I think it's like good enough. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit actually. As much as I do wanna, this trade is definitely gonna hit. I'm very confident on it. I'm gonna put my stops, I'm gonna put my first take profit right here at this level, and then I'll put my other ones below. I just want to kind of secure some profit. We do have news coming out in 10 minutes. So we almost inverse a 5-minute gap on ES. Holy fucking dump on the DOW. Look at this. Holy mother god. We're definitely taking out these lows. NQ is just a little slower right now. ES took out Asia. Breaker. See ya. Once I see the 5-minute fair value up close below, I'm definitely gonna put my stops at break even. And I think this is looking very good. So hopefully we can form this 5-minute fair value gap, kind of protects our position a little bit. If we can, that'd be great. If not, that's quite alright. It be what it be. It be what it be. Too bad that nobody's watching, but it's okay. I'll keep making these streams. They're fun for me. I have a good time. That's all I really care about. So right now we're chilling, billin'. Nothing much else to it. Waiting for price to get to my TP. England is moving finally. Finally seeing some regular price action. I need a DM. My God, this is just ripping. Holy fuck. Alright, well, we're about... Yo. What the fuck is it? This is such a insane... This is an insane trade, bro. I haven't seen shit like this in forever. When news is coming out in a long time. We still have plenty of time. So I'm waiting for my first take profit to get hit. Then we can put our stops at break even. Nah, like there's just no way it doesn't get hit. We're definitely going lower here.
Order filled.
Alright, so I actually took half profit because I wanted to be out of the news. And we secured I think like we secured a band arena. So now I can just what am I doing, bro? I need to do it. I'm in for 12. What do you mean I'm in for 12? Oh wait, did I not? Okay. Wait, I'm in for 12, 3, 4. No, I'm just gonna. Oh, I see. So.
Order filled.
Alright, okay, so now I'm actually in for 8. I'm in for 8, that's what it was. Alright, so took 2 profits at these lows. Why am I taking profit now? Because, so here's the thing. We have news coming out in 5 minutes, and we're still within this rally gap. We did inverse it on ES, but we're forming a bullish SMT on ES right now. I don't expect us to just reverse again. I really doubt that, but it's already a 1 to 2, so it's more than I can definitely ask for. I'm very happy with this trade regardless. I like secured myself, I think $1,400. I think it was. I think. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, I think it should be $1,400 on both accounts. Half the position, and now we just wait for our profits to get hit. The Dow is also very close. I'm a little bit scared of the SMT being like a driven, like a factor on the shorts. Oh my God, I did not mean to do that. Okay. We didn't close below the 5-minute gap, which is why I'm a little bit iffy about NQ. That's the whole reason. We still haven't closed below it, and by now I feel like we should be closing below it. I wouldn't do, if we didn't have news at 10, I'd still be my full position. Like I wouldn't touch anything at all. So now I just have to wait. God, I can't stay forever. On my window. Oh wait, I can't even whistle it. I forgot. You can get copyright struck for that. How stupid that shit is. Like, I really don't think the S&T is going to play out. I think this is just a basic retrace because these are the London lows. Oh, hold on. Oh, I didn't even realize this. I don't know. I think this is just a expected retrace. Before we do continue lower. It's a big ask for us to go that much lower. So news coming out very soon, 4 minutes. I have a good amount of drawdown in my trade, so I'm not too worried. And my trade on ES actually, was there a 1 minute entry? Potentially. Yeah, I mean, once we broke 1 minute structure, there was a trade right here. This is a good trade too. So let's just wait and see where price wants to go. We're closing. This is what I'm talking about on NQ. Let me just get rid of this really quickly. I don't want to see the 1 minute. I don't care about the 1 minute. If we go to the hourly, what is this telling me? We saw liquidity. We want to continue lower. From the 4 hour, what is this telling me? We didn't even break 4 hour structure. Holy shit. Oh, well, we technically broke 4 hour structure. This closes bullish, but I think we're just going to continue making lower lows. If we see a rejection like this, oh, we came up all the way into here too. Maybe that's why. I mean, that was a final one. Then I'm expecting a big sell-off. Will news put us out of our trade? Potentially. It will potentially put us out of our trade, but which is why I already put like half. I already took out half the position, made $700 today, regardless, and we're in a pretty big place of profit right now. So if our trade were to fully hit, which I hope it does, and I'm hoping that it just goes my way. If it doesn't, it is what it is. I already made money. I believe it would be a very, very solid day. I think this, I'm not going to lie, this has to be like the first good day in a long time. In a very, very long time. So my second day profit is here at 2 units, $1,000 right there. Like maybe I should do 1,500. Oh no, wait, hold on. So 2 here, I think. Yeah, 2 there, plus 1 here, plus 1 here. So it'll be, if everything hits, it'll be 2 more banderinos. Oh shit, news coming out 1 minute. Let's see if we get stopped out or not. I don't think so. But yet again, we still haven't closed the 5 minute below. If we close the 5 minute below this, then I'm chilling. Pretty sure half of the trading space caught this trade, at least the smart money traders. Definitely, everyone definitely caught this trade. Maybe not the inverse value gap enthusiasts, but I definitely saw the trade very clear to me. I mean, insane manipulation to the upside, expecting a sell-off right after. I really was very surprised. Oh, 10 seconds until news comes out. Stops are break even. ES is continuing to dump. So ES seems like a very, very good trade. Almost seemed like a better trade. Price is just bonkers right now. But I think we do want to continue lower. Hopefully this doesn't break the TPT rules. I don't think so. I didn't even check my email. Maybe I should have checked my email. Anyways, we're continuing to go lower into not quite my levels. That's alright. Once I see the 5 minute, so once I see this 5 minute close, like if I see the 5 minute inverse, I'll put my stops right here. We have this pretty large fair value gap right here. I'd rather just guarantee myself like $1,000 a day. Instead, but we're definitely continuing lower. Holy fucking dump. Holy fucking entry, man. Let's fucking go. See, I had a bad week last week. What a start to the fucking week. I know my back hurts like a bitch, but I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Come on, England. Get my fucking take profit right now. Stop being a little bitch. Dude, yes, it's just ripping. Holy fuck. Look at this. What the fuck? Yeah, really, this was my TP. Yeah. What a trade. The retail space is happy right now. I can tell you that. Everyone took this fucking short. I already know. I'm actually gonna, funny enough, I'm gonna go on Twitter right now. And I'm just gonna, I already know. I don't. So this is what this is something that's actually really interesting because of the previous market conditions, it's really Because of the previous market conditions, these trades are so much easier to take just because we are so used to shit conditions. When you see something good, it's so convincing. That's kind of what I mean. Like, it's so convincing that that you really just want to, go for it. But we're seeing some buyers coming in. My first take profit technically would have been hit. So I don't expect this trade to just rip to the downside all the way to my take profits. Like, sure, it's a possibility, but I don't think that's going to happen. I'm just going to wait this out. You have to understand that trades go up and down. The draws are extremely clear. I mean, okay, we already took him out on the Dow. I would have taken a trade on the Dow, and we did respect this 1 hourly. I would have taken it if we had taken out these Asia highs. I definitely would have taken this short on the Dow. So now what? Now we just wait. I'm waiting for the 5 minute closure. I think this is just gonna continue lower. Just put this right down here. So I move my stops. Right over here to this low. Yeah. So my stops are now here. It's like a 1-to-1, I think. Is this not? Hold on. Jesus Christ. Okay, no stop loss. So, go, because we're seeing some buy. That's why I'm taking that. Jesus Christ, can I just put it on the wick? Thank you. Yeah, it's like a 1-to-1. That's $400. Okay. All right. Too bad that I exited early. I guess I should have stayed in it. But I mean, I can't complain. I doubled my money basically. So my TP1 was here at 4 units. Yeah, that would have been 1304. That's okay. And then at another 4 units here, that's $344. That's what I expected. I think we're continuing lower, like for sure. And we still have some we still have some solid room for retracements. The reason I'm putting my stops here is because honestly, like after seeing this huge dump, if we see this 5 minute gap get inversed, I'm probably expecting us to maybe just trickle a little higher. However, the hourly is saying otherwise. The hourly is really just screaming go low, go low, go low. And we're even giving it wiggle room for a top wick, because you really want to give the hourlies like wicks. 4 hour, we're even giving the 4 hour potential wick here. And I'd be extremely surprised if we don't at least take out the London lows. I'd be very, very, very surprised if we don't take out the London lows. I'm liking this so far. This is aligning very well with my original weekly plan. So we're seeing an initial dump. I think we are going all the way down to like the New York PM lows, like all the way down here. And then we're taking out the weekly low and then continuing higher, maybe filling in this gap. That's kind of what I want to see. There's a lot of volume this week, so I'm expecting big moves from price this whole week. All right, the reason why I put my stops low is now that I see it, we close below the 5 minute fair value gap. Both of these, we didn't quite close below this one, but basically did close below the bigger one. And now we just have to wait and see if our take profit will get hit. We do have a technical SMT, potentially a technical SMT, like right here. Holy mother god, bro, this bitch just took out everything. What the fuck? Yo, holy take profit, that's crazy. This also could just be like a little retracement before we do continue lower. Like, I mean, we are ripping to the downside, so not to be unexpected. Yeah, like that. So it's fine. I'll let the trade run. I'll let that bitch play out. I mean, as much as I want to keep the stream going, it doesn't really seem like I need to. Trade's already hit and everything. Wow, we got a chatter. Holy crap. What is an Asian high? Funny that you say that. There's a video coming out later this week of me explaining all that stuff. London low, Asia high. Well, thank you for the comments. Thank you so much for the comment. I like the engagement. Appreciate it. I guess I'll explain quickly what an SMT is since I have nothing else to do. I wasn't even looking at the chat. SMT is where one price index, usually NQ and ES, has a difference in price. So as you can see here, we took out this high right here. So this is forming a bullish SMT, or bearish SMT, I mean. And on ES, if we go to the same high, we didn't take it out. What is this telling us? This is telling us that we want to continue lower. This is showing us that the move was actually to go lower, and this just gives us a more premium entry. So we entered a much higher price. That's basically what an SMT is used for and what an SMT is. It's just like an indicator of where price kind of wants to go. So, see, now we're seeing these pushes up right now. I mean, this could just be like a reversal to the upside. Another V-shaped reversal? I don't think so. I think this is just like a classic rebalance into equilibrium, into for value gap, or I don't know, into something, I guess. Hopefully, maybe the for value gap. We didn't take out the London lows on ES either. So we do have to keep that in mind. Like, this is just, here's what I'm expecting. This is also why my take profit is, or my stop loss is there. On the ES, let me go on NQ actually. I should do this on NQ because this is where my trade is. So on NQ, equilibrium is right here, matches up perfectly with this fair value gap right here. Let me get rid of this Asia, Persuasia, liquidity. So if you actually miss the move, there's potential for entry right here. Because if we do, like, we rebalance into equilibrium, get into a discount, respect this 5 minute for value gap. If I want to see, like, on a live account, this is just like the sim funded account. On a live account, I definitely would take this again if I saw like a retrace into here, because we fully inverse this. We're seeing some retracement, some rebalancing prior to this large push down, and we have a data wick down here. This is a data low actually, so that's also a pretty strong draw on liquidity. That's also why I put my stops right here, because if we really, like, if we want to come up way higher, I don't think so. I think we do want to continue lower, so I'm just gonna let this ride. Like, I'm gonna let this ride, to be honest. I see no reason to not to. So we'll see if we take a second trade here. Like, if I take like a short right here, probably put your stops like above this gap, depending on like where price closest. Like if we close below the gap right here, it's a good risk to reward of 1 to 3. It's a really good risk to reward actually. Potentially worth taking the trade out of. So I guess I can stick around the charts for a little bit longer. I don't want to take another trade because I guaranteed a 1-to-1 RR, but I want to leave that idea out there, you know, for the viewers, for you guys, for the viewer. Yeah, I'm currently in a trade. I am currently still in this trade. I took profit here. First take profit here. Second take profit is down here. And then final take profit, third take profit is down here. Final take profit is over the way down here. So this is the trade that I took. I should have taken profits here, to be honest. I was just a little bit scared of the news pushing us higher, but my bias was very clear, so should have stayed in it. And yeah, I see that our trade is playing out in our favor as of now. I think we are continuing lower. I think we may have found the rebalance level already. Because honestly, like, if you see a sweep of liquidity up here, what is this telling you? This is also a video is coming out today. I explain liquidity and price. A lot of buy orders are being filled right here, which drags price down because people are willing to sell at a higher price. And the same thing, now we're seeking these London buyers right here. That's a London low. You asked about it before. London low is the low made in London session, which is from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. So let me go ahead and educational content right here. So Asia session is from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. So right here. And London is from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. It really goes until a little later, but the real liquidity is formed until 6 a.m. So this is right here. I had it marked out before, but I'll mark it again. Array, I need a trend line. This right here is the highest point made during Asia session. So what is this? Our Asia high. This is our Asia high right here. This is technically the lowest point made during Asia session. This is our Asia low. The reason I didn't mark it is because we already took it out. And during London, as you can see, this right here is a London low. And this right here would be a London high, and I would mark it if we hadn't taken it out in the pre-market. That's why. So now you know. Now you know what Asia highs are. Now you know what London lows are. And now we both know the session times. I'm gonna make a video about this later anyway. Like I was planning on it, so I'll see when I release it. There's a video coming out today, I think at 12. I put the schedule, and I need to work on the other video today. But we'll see. We'll have to wait and see. We're seeing some price retracement still, which is kind of annoying. Why the fuck did my trade move? Alright, whatever. Because price might move slower. We do have Powell speaking at 1. We really want to be out of this trade prior to that. So price might just dilly-dally for a good amount of time. Maybe the only draw was really just down here. I'm pretty set on my other take profits, to be honest. I don't think we want to really continue higher, but if we do, I mean, it's $1,000 a day. Can't really complain. Let me tell you that. Can't really complain. As much as I want to close now to just guarantee like a $1,500 a day, it's not what we're here to do. We're here to win trades. We're not here to make money. We're here to win trades. How long do I think my trade is gonna take? Fuck if I know, but I'm not the market maker. I could be in this bitch for like 8 hours. I just want to get out of it before 1 because we have Powell speaking at 1, which what might happen if Powell speaks at 1, we could see. Let me just go to the brush. So where's 1 p.m.? Right here. So 1, anything before 1. I don't even know where price is gonna be. Let's just say price is here. When this guy starts talking, bro, it just literally just goes. That's just, and then finishes talking and then just stabilizes. So we don't really want to be caught up in this part of price. If you're a genius, you take long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, and you make generational wealth. But that's not really the plan here. So we'll have to wait and see. I think this trade is very valid. I am very happy. I'm pretty happy with the trade, to be honest. I don't think if it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. It is what it is. We already took our first profit, and we guarantee $1,000 a day. It's not the biggest day. Obviously, I want to have bigger days, but with I only had $1,500 to risk. I only risked $800. I made more than $800. Can you really complain? Like, come on, bro. No reason to complain at all. If I see a 5-minute closure below this, I'm going to put my stops above here. Just letting you guys know. You guys, bro. It's just one person. Oh, the magnet. Yeah, the magnet and hammer strategy. You know, I haven't tried that. That's a good idea. Why don't we just right here. Here we go. So let's get this. Let's make sure that we really are dragging price in the right direction here. So why don't we really throw a lot of magnets in there. There we go. I think it should be good enough. And then let's just hammer it down. There we go. So let's just, yep, price got to go down now. Oh fuck. No. Not like this. We have to go down. The hammer magnet never fails. The hammer magnet never fails. Maybe there just isn't enough magnets yet. That's why we need more magnets. More magnets. More, even more. Bigger magnets, everything. That's what we that's what we This is so retarded. But it's gonna work, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Trust, trust, trust. We're going lower. Definitely going lower now. Come on, we're battling price right now. I know there's people using the hammer magnet strategy to push price up, but it's not happening. Not happening, guys. This is definitely going down. It's definitely going lower. See, it's already going down. Look at that. Look at that. It's already working. It's already working. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. I guess you can feel the electromagnetic waves. Just look at that. Look at that. It's just going. No. Don't go back up now. Don't do this to me now, man. Come on. Can't just. I need a. Come on. Come on. Slow, steady hammering. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Pushing lower. Continuing lower. Fuck. Hammer's upside down. No, see, now I'm taking it out. It's like the nail. I'm taking out the nail, so that's why it's going higher. So I have to do it properly. I have to go like this. I think the problem is the hammer is not big enough. That might be it. That might be our problem here. So there we go. That's a little better. It's a little better now. See, price is really battling right now. Struggling. It's definitely struggling. Oh fuck. Oh no. That's not good. No. Oh shit. Fuck, we're continuing higher. Oh my god, no. No, don't do this to me now, England. Let's get rid of all these fucking magnets, bro. Shit ass magnets. Ah. No, yeah, it doesn't work. It didn't work. Nah, we just have to wait now. We have to wait for price to be dragged down. Oh, this is so retarded. I need to make a clip out of that. Fuck, I forgot to start recording my trade. I just realized. Wait, can you not see? Yeah, you can see the open P&L. I need to, fuck, I'm gonna have to go back on stream and, god damn it. I'm gonna have to go back on stream and record that. Because I want to do like clips for that. So dumb. Oh man. Alright. We're seeing some pushes down now, potentially, maybe. We're seeing a rejection on the 5 minute. Can I put my stops above here, potentially? No, we're now going up. God fucking damn it. God fucking damn it. No. Go lower, please. Please, to one time. Just please, one time. One time for me. One time dealer. One time dealer. One time. One time England. Just one time. Really don't love this, and I really want to close my position now, but I'm not going to. Why? I don't know. Maybe I should close my position. No, we wait. Now we just wait. We just wait. Oh, man. Oh, my colors look stupid. Oh, piss off. My colors don't look stupid. My colors look great. My colors look so good. Look at this. How could you not love these colors, man? Look at this. You have beautiful blue and whatever the fuck this is. Color. Those are my colors. I need to take a picture of this. and then put it on my Discord. Oh my god, am I gonna get stopped out? I might hear an order filled at any point now. Or stop filled. Stop filled. What even is this rally? All right, we're filling in the 5-minute gap. Keep the get rid of the P color, bro. It's not P color, man. I swear it's not P color. We're filling this 5-minute gap right now. Hopefully we don't just continue higher. If we do, that's unfortunate, and I'm gonna get stopped out. But if we fill this 5-minute gap, this puts us in a discount. This is a very good place to take a trade potentially. Oh my god, man! Can I fucking do anything? So hopefully we don't get stopped out. If we do, that's okay, man. We already made money. Can't complain. Can't complain. You already know. So, everything on the Discord. I would join the. I'd say join the Discord, but invite only. Invite only. I think. I don't even know. Looks like I'm about to get stopped out. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I won't get stopped out. Maybe we get lucky. Or maybe my trade just plays out the way that it's supposed to play out. Boy, we are getting close to my stop loss. Really pushing this gap to the limit. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. I'm not quite stopped out yet. I don't really know why we're making a reversal point there. We have so much more high time frame liquidity that we just want to seek lower. I'm kind of surprised, to be honest. I really did not expect this. I was expecting a bigger move to the downside. And wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Not quite there. Wait for it. It's almost there. You're about to hear it. It's gonna happen. Hold on. Almost there. And holy, are we really edging my stop? What? Okay, come on, bro. Make up your mind, man. Fucking hell. It's like either put me in this trade or like keep me in or leave me out. Don't just edge me. Treat me right. God. Nobody treats me right. This is so stupid. If I get stopped out, doesn't mean I'm bad at trading. Sure, we can say that. Why not? Let's just say that if you ever get stopped out, you're a terrible trader and you should quit. Always. Don't ever get stopped out. You're terrible if you get stopped out. Bro, I'm like, they're seriously just edging my stop, man. I know you want to go up into that level. Like, you are already inversing the 5-minute gap. Don't just give me a fucking sell-off point now. And if you do, just fucking dump. Like, make up your fucking mind, man. It's like, come on. So dumb. Dude, I'm like $1 away from my stop. Just fucking take me out. Either take me out or go to my take profit. Like, dude, stop. Not nice, man. Not cool. How I'm not stopped out yet? I really have no idea. I'm being edged. I'm fully being edged. My stops are already right here. I'm being edged right now. This is not okay. Just take me out, please. All right.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Oh, wow. I thought I made more. 984 day. Fucking. It's alright. More than a 1-to-1. Can't complain. Not going to complain. I have no idea what price wants to do now, but I'm off the charts. That's all I can really tell you. I'm off the charts until tomorrow. I don't see a reason to continue shorts. We're ripping to the upside now. I think a good trade could have been a DOW. We took out these lows and we see this is also, maybe I should have exited once I saw this. This is a good trade right here. Definitely a good trade. That's okay. We don't need to take more than one trade a day if we make our profits. But this was a good trade as well. You could probably take it to these highs. I'd say so. Obviously, we were in a lot of profit. But could we have made more? 100%. Should we have made more? Probably. One of my mistakes here was taking profits at a level that I shouldn't have. So not on ES. Maybe the trade was on ES. Yes, I mean we edged the London lows though. So I don't know. So what I did was I took partials at this level over here. So I took partial profits. Where was it at? 21.33 and 21.14. So at this level and then at this level right here. And in reality, what I should have been doing, I should have waited for this take profit to get hit, and then I should have put my stops at break even. We'd still be alive in the trade right now, technically. I don't think we're gonna reverse. I mean, maybe we will reverse the downside. I don't think so. I think if we just break 5-minute structure right after, inverse a 5-minute rally gap, yet again, like another V-shaped reversal, unlikely. Very, very unlikely. So we'll hopefully we didn't just get stopped out and then our take profits get hit. If we do, I'm going to grab a gun, I'm gonna load that gun, and I'm gonna point the gun at my temple, and I'm gonna pull the trigger. That's what I'm gonna do. So, but yeah, trade for the day. Can't complain. Let me just erase this. Let me farm some clicks on Twitter. Why not? So good trade. Solid trade. No complaints. Zero complaints for me. And now we just have to wait. Now we just wait. Oh, wait for what? What am I, retarded, bro? I already won. I can just leave the charts. So, I'm gonna call the stream here. I have some videos to work on. And then, there's a video coming out later today, but I have some videos to work on. So, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place, same fucking trade. And let's hope we can win tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm willing to risk a little bit more money. A lot more money. So maybe we can hit a better trade tomorrow. So peace out. Hopefully you enjoy the stream. My one viewer, I love you. I love you so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, fellas.